Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're doing something slightly different than we've done before. I've got this crochet kit, so it's a beginner's crochet kit. I bought this off Etsy. There's the name of the store that I got it from. So this is a turtle crochet kit, so I thought I would try and do this kit, and I'm going to show you my steps along the way and show you the final project. This is not a tutorial for this kit. This is purely showing if I can make one of these origami sort of toys, because I've done blankets and things like that, but I've never been able to try something like this before. So without further ado, let's head straight on into this box and let's see what we've got. Okay, so let's have a look inside the kit and see what you get. First off, you can see we've got the stuffing for the actual animal, the turtle. Then we have the yarn. So here is the instruction sheet. So it has the QR code to watch the video tutorial with some of the terminology. And then it's also got the written instructions. Got a 5mm crochet hook, and then in here says thank you. I don't know what's in here. Oh, so in here we have the eyes. We've got the two eyes, and I take it, that's to hold them in place. You have a stitch marker and a yarn needle. So I'm going to see if I can do this or follow this tutorial, because I've never done origami. So here's the turtle that we're going to make. So let's see if I can do it. So I'll be back. This is not a tutorial video. This is just a video to show you if I can follow one of these beginner crochet kits. So I am about to start round 4 of the body. So I just had to do a magic ring. This is 3 rounds. I must say, the woman's tutorial that you follow on this, she explains it so much easier. Now that I've done round 3, the stitches are beginning to be easier to see. Otherwise, the first couple of rounds I was struggling to know where to sort of see the stitch, but now they're becoming clearer. So I'm going to insert a stitch marker in there, and I'm going to go on to round 4. So I will probably check back in with you once I have completed the body. Okay, so I'm up to round 10 I've just completed. So I've just joined on the new colour. So that's how much I've done so far. I think I've got it the right way around. And I'm about to now start rounds to do the decrease. We're going to start decreasing this now. So once I've completed those rounds, I'll show you the update of that. There is the body complete. So I done the brown, done the green, I decreased it. So we've got this tiny hole left. So this last step before you sew this up is to now stuff it with the stuffing that they've provided. So now let's try and get all this into the hole, stuff the ball. Okay, so I've stuffed it, so now I'm just going to go on, sew this up, and then we can move on to the next part of the project. Okay, so you see the body I made, but I've got a feeling this just doesn't look right. And I've made the head, I've inserted the eyes. It doesn't say on the instructions whether you're supposed to close this up to stitch it on. It doesn't say if I'm supposed to stuff it. but I think I might. That will go on like that. And then I've also made the fins. So I've got the long strands ready to, got the long strands on there ready to attach. So the 2 front fins, and then I've made 2 smaller ones for the back. So my next step now is to, using the darning needle, is to now stitch this all together. So I'm going to attempt to do that, and I will be back to show you the finished result. Okay, are you ready to see the turtle, the completed turtle? And don't laugh. Ta-da! So, I don't think I've done my shell right. It doesn't look like pictures that I've seen with other ones online, and I don't know if I put the right amount of stuff in or too much stuff in. The instructions don't tell you. Have I stuck these on right? I don't know. The instructions, they're a bit vague. They don't tell you you know, how much stuff in or what sort of shape you should be seeing. Like my head, I don't know if I've stuck that on right. Didn't even mention about stuff in the head. So I would like to see a video with the kit of the actual thing that you're making, not just how to do like the basic stitches. But for a first attempt, this fin looks a bit funny. There you go, it's the first time I've ever made an origami animal out of crochet. It's the first one I've ever done. So I just wanted to show you some other kits that I got. These were kits from Amazon. So these are ones where you scan the QR code and you follow like the videos online. They send you to a YouTube link. So I had this one. This makes like little heads, animal heads. And then I had this one. And until I'd done this turtle, I didn't have the confidence to give these a go, but I have. So I'll show you what I've made with these. Let me get the booklets out. So this kit, you can basically make these 3 little animals here. So there's my first one. I was quite happy with how that one turned out. There's my frog. This was like a different technique of how you stitched it, and I find this stitching on top of it quite awkward, so that looks a bit weird there. So it's a funny disfigured frog. Then there's the owl. Again, not perfect, but it's my first time doing these. But you know, you have to stitch all these separate bits. You have to crochet all the separate bits and then stitch them on. So that was those from that kit. And then the other kit, let me show you. It's an animal head keychain kit. So you can basically make these, and it's most of it's all the same principle of doing the round head, and then it's just the extra little components to make the faces. So I've made the pig. Again, not perfect. My nose is a bit funny. But these ones, it comes with a keychain hooks, and you can make this into a little charm, like a keychain bag charm or something like that. So yeah, just thought I would show you those. I will link these kits, these Amazon ones, down below in case you're interested. So that's the finished project. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video. It might inspire you to go online and give yourself a try at doing one of these crochet kits. Yes, I have messed up on the turtle's shell, but I know what I've done now. So if I did this again, I know how to correct it basically when it said to turn it, I literally turned it rather than just spinning it round and doing the stitch the other way round. So I was going in the wrong loop, you know, to create the stripe. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.